Take out the machine and all its fittings. The machine is equipped with 2 backup fuses, which can replace a broken fuse. If the fuse is damaged, slowly lever the place that installs it with a screwdriver, remove it, and substitute it with the spare. Filter installation. For small rubber rings can be found inside the filter's pins. If you unscrew the filter, you can find 2 large rubber rings inside the bottle body's joint. If they are damaged, you can replace them with backup ones. Attention, you must insert the filter in the right direction. Avoid inserting it incorrectly or improperly. If you don't insert it fully, it may cause zero vacuum or air leakage. Install racks. Mount large laser pads. Install small laser pads. Assemble BIO. Install IRF. Install face RF. Install body RF. Fix hot and cold hammer. Install 40K annoization. Install vacuum and RF. Put the installed handpieces in the rack successively. Install the power cord. Press the power switch after all the parts are in place. Then the handpiece selection interface will show up. Click an icon on the page to select a handpiece. Click the icon for selecting 40K annoization. Parameters setting. Operating time range, 0 to 60 minutes. (15 to 20 minutes is suggested. Energy level range, 0% to 100%. 30 to 70% is advised. Recommended mode, continuous working. Mode selection, continuous working, which suits those with excess fat accumulation or firm fat. Discontinuous working, which serves those who want to reduce weight or with localized fat. You must apply ultrasonic gel evenly to a treated part before an operation. Note, the client cannot wear any metal objects or jewelry during treatment. Those with metal implants are prohibited from using the machine. Do not use the device aiming at the heart and parts with skeletons. Press start. Press pause. Click the icon for selecting vacuum and RF. Parameters setting. Suggested operating time, 15 to 20 minutes. Recommended energy level, 30% to 70%. Proposed mode for RF, NOR. Advised mode for vacuum, M1. Mode selection, NOR. When clicking start, the handpiece energy level will reach the setting value directly and the red light will be on. PRO. After clicking start, its red light will flare when it touches the skin and energy level will reach the setting value slowly. Suction time range is 0.0 to 2.0 seconds. 0.3 to 1.5 seconds is advised. Release time range is 0.0 to 2.0 seconds. 0.0 to 0.8 is suggested. Attention, the suction time should be set longer than the release time. It's constant suction when the release time is set to 0. You must apply radiofrequency cream evenly to a treated part before treatment and operate the handpiece after the cream is emulsified so that it will not clog the handpiece. Press start. A knob for setting suction can be found on the machine's top. You can adjust the suction per a client's tolerance at any time, to rotate to the left to decrease suction, and to the right to increase it. Press pause. Click the icon for selecting body RF. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 15 to 20 minutes. Suggested energy level, 30%, 70%. Recommended mode, NOR. Red light, on. Mode selection, it's the same as vacuum and RF. You must apply radiofrequency cream evenly to a treated part before treatment. Press start. Press pause. Click the icon for selecting lipo laser. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 20 to 30 minutes. Suggested energy level, 30%, 70%. Recommended mode, M1. Mode selection. M1. Lasers flash all the time, which fits those with severe fat accumulation. M2. Lasers flash slowly, which suits those who want to reinforce shaping. M3. Lasers flash fast, which serves slightly obese people who want to reduce weight. The advised mode for a first-time user is M2. Fasten a strap of suitable length onto a part to be treated. Insert laser pads into the strap. Press start. Press pause. Click the icon for selecting face RF. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 10 to 20 minutes. Suggested energy level, 30%, 70%. Recommended mode, NOR. Red light, on. Mode selection, it's the same as vacuum and RF. You must apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to a treated part before treatment. Press start. Press pause. Click the icon for selecting IRF. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 10 to 20 minutes. Suggested energy level, 30%, 70%. Recommended mode, NOR. Red light, on. Mode selection, it's the same as vacuum and RF. You must apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to a treated part before treatment. Press start. Press pause. Click the icon for selecting BIO. Parameters setting. Suggested operating time is 10 to 15 minutes. Advised energy level is 30 to 70.
Recommended mode is import.
Proposed light, green. Advised mode for the light, continuous working. Note: you can adjust the energy level per individual tolerance. Mode selection, infusion, importing nutrition and promoting absorption. Tightening, it suits people with flabby skin and fine lines. Lifting, it fits those who want to sculpt facial outline and prevent slack and saggy skin. Skin rejuvenation, it serves those with coarse and wrinkled skin and pigmentation. You can adjust it per individual tolerance. You are not advised to use it if you are sensitive to electric currents. The use of wave, mode, on, auto, and off. Wave, only a type of light flashes. Mode, on, switch to another type of light and turn the device on. Auto, lights flash circularly. Off, shut down the handpiece. The function of each type of light: red light, fight against aging and tighten skin. Blue light, kill bacteria and remove acne. Green light, calm and repair skin. Yellow light, remove spots and brighten skin. Violet light, repair acne scars. White light, balance oil. Turquoise light, speed up metabolism. You must apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to a treated part before an operation. You are advised to apply a sheet mask before operating the device. Press start. Press pause. Click the icon for selecting hot and cold hammer. Parameters setting. Advised operating time, 10 to 15 minutes. Suggested energy level, 30%, 70%. Recommended mode, cold. Mode selection. Cold hammer is used to calm and ease the skin and remove and repair acne. Hot hammer is used for infusion and opening pores. You must apply dedicated gel or face essence evenly to a treated part before treatment. Press start. Press pause. Turn off the equipment, unplug the power cord, and disinfect the used handpieces for future use.